Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to replace your Blink Smart Doorbell batteries. You need a flathead screwdriver to replace the batteries and or the tool that the Blink Doorbell came with. What you're then going to do is take your screwdriver and insert it into the slot on the bottom here, and then you're going to pry the screwdriver away from the wall, and that will disengage a little clip on the bottom here, and then you're going to need to push up on the doorbell, and that will allow it to pop right off. We're going to give you a couple different views so you can see what's happening here, so you can disengage that properly. On the bottom of the doorbell, there's a couple different slots. Do not put your screwdriver or tool in here. That's for the microphone and speaker. We want to go to this slot in the rear here. We're going to put our screwdriver in, and then we're going to pry away from the wall like so to disengage that clip, and then we need to push up on the doorbell to disengage it from the mounting plate. So I push up, and there we go. We've got that doorbell off again. Now you want to hold on to it while you do that so it doesn't fall off like that, but that is how you're going to remove the Blink doorbell and replace the batteries. And here's another angle and view with a close-up of the mechanism. So you're going to put your screwdriver in here, and then you would tilt it out away from the wall, and that disengages this clip right here on the plastic ledge underneath. And then what you're doing is you're going to, if you can see the device, you're going to push it upwards, and that disengages the clips and allows you to take this off. So the doorbell sits on these little clips right here, and then you can see that ledge that we are pushing the screwdriver up against to disengage this clip right here on the device. So once you've got that off, you can change the batteries there. We'll switch back to the other angle. Here you can see it takes just 2 standard AA batteries, so we're going to remove those, and then we're going to insert the new batteries. Now, I had great success with the batteries that were in there. They are lithium, and they've lasted a long time. And all you're going to do then is put in your new batteries. It is recommended to put those lithium batteries in, but any AA battery will work here. So we've got that installed, and now we're ready to slide the Blink doorbell back onto its mounting plate. In order to reinstall the Blink video doorbell, once you've replaced the batteries, you've got this mounting bracket here, and it has 6 clips, 3 on each side, that will correspond to the back of the doorbell. There's some clip cutouts here. So this will go on, and then it will slide down, and that engages all those clips, including this one at the bottom that was holding it in place. So what we're going to do is put our Blink doorbell back on top of the mounting bracket, try and get it in the right spot where we've got those clips engaged. And then once we've got that nice and flat to the back with the mounting bracket, we're going to push down a 1/16 or an 1/8 of an inch, and that's going to engage all those clips at the bottom of the device and on the side. So now that's nice and tight to the wall. All I did was put this on and then pull down, and you can see it is not going anywhere now. It is clipped in place. So that is how you replace the batteries to your Blink video doorbell. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, or click any of the links below. Thank you.